What, miss? A test? I don't even have strategies.
Here are some easy steps to follow.
First, you want to read the title and preview any text features, which may include bold text, graphic aids, pictures, and captions, and highlight them. Next, you want to make a prediction and identify the genre of the text. For example, the title of this passage is Tangled Lines, and there's an illustration of two people on a boat fishing.
When you're making a prediction, read the title and look for any graphic aids. If you have an illustration, because this is fiction, you need to fill in your own caption. Referring back to the title, make your prediction. Tangled lines. What could this be about? Could it be about fishing, or could it be about miscommunication?
I am utilizing strategy number 3, in which I scan the questions, highlight keywords, and I will go back and eliminate obvious wrong answers. And I'm going to try to answer the questions that I can answer without having to read the entire passage. As I go to number 5, you will see that I'm underlining, highlighting intertwined, paragraph 12. Continuing with strategy 3, I've highlighted paragraph 12, and I'm highlighting the word that's underlined, which is intertwined, and I'm highlighting the keywords that follow it, which usually tell me the meaning of the vocabulary word that's being asked for. So I will take these definitions and compare them.
Step 4, hashtag summaries. Read the paragraph and hashtag. Alan's father leaned back and sighed comfortably. I'm really glad we were able to have one last fishing weekend before you have to go back to school. It's a perfect day to relax, he said. His fishing line started to jerk. And a perfect day to catch a big fish, he added. Alan's father reeled in a large catfish and scooped it up with the net. He held up the fish like a trophy. Once I finished reading, I highlight keywords in the paragraph and then write my hashtag summary. In this case, hashtag quality time. Step 5. After reading the text, answer all questions left unanswered. As in number 7, I read the question and I highlight keywords. In order to prove my answer, I go back to the passage and highlight the paragraph number. Once I highlight the paragraph number, I write, give myself a hint, the number of the question I'm trying to prove. As I do that, I begin to read. The first day they practiced, Dad had thrown the ball to Alan. You could catch it, just try, his father had called. Alan had run as fast as he could to catch the ball, but it hit his chest hard and bounced out of his hands. He stumbled and fell to the ground. I highlight key words that I think might prove my answer. Once I finish highlighting my keywords, I write my hashtag summary. Hashtag bad practice. Once I write my hashtag summary, I go back to the question to prove my answer. And in this case, the answer that is proven based on what I just read would be letter D.
Always refer back to the title. These are our reading strategies.